Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today's recipe is for a really awesome salad. Not only is it really tasty, but it's packed full of superfoods which is really healthy for you. It's called Mexicana chopped salad. So let's get started. So the first ingredient that I'll talk about is the red onion. And this onion in particular apparently helps to reduce the risk of heart disease. Next we'll need some cherry tomatoes. These are chock full of vitamins and minerals, and especially vitamins A and C. Now there's the yellow pepper, and it's very low in calories, and it's also an excellent source of vitamins and potassium. It's got a healthy dose of fiber and folate and iron as well. Next is the avocado, or some call it alligator pears or butterfruit. No matter what you call it, this one's packed full of vitamins. Vitamins C, E, K, and B6, and it's got minerals like magnesium and potassium, not to mention the omega-3 fatty acids. Anyways, it's great for your heart and your skin, along with many other nutritional benefits. And it really helps to complement any salad. And I take and chop this up in large chunks. That way it helps compensate for when you mix it in the salad that it doesn't break up too much. Next is black beans. These will help to make you feel full, and they're full of antioxidants, fiber, protein, carbohydrates. This makes them nutritionally powerful, and they help your body to process calories more effectively. We'll throw some Tex-Mex cheese in the mix of all of this. This is a fusion of Mexican and American cuisine, and it's a blend of 3 different cheeses. This is a nice complement to the overall taste of your salad. So let's start putting this all together now. Drain and rinse a 540 ml can of black beans and add it to the mixing bowl. Add 2 cups of halved cherry tomatoes. Add 1 yellow bell pepper that's been chopped. Half a cup of chopped red onion. Half a cup of Tex-Mex shredded cheese. And 2 ripe avocados that's been coarsely chopped. Then add half a teaspoon of cumin. Interestingly enough, this spice increases antioxidant intake and it promotes digestion, provides iron, but get this one, it reduces foodborne illnesses as well. This is healthy even right down to the dressing. So we add 1/3 cup of ZESTY Italian dressing. This is a healthier choice than the cream dressings. It's a classic oil and vinegar dressing with lots of garlic in it, and Worcestershire sauce and maple syrup and a few other surprise ingredients. But it's the perfect choice for this salad, and you mix all these ingredients together and serve it immediately. So I hope you enjoy this really healthy and tasty recipe. I'd like to say thanks to Elaine for bringing this recipe to my attention. This recipe is a real keeper and an excellent choice for healthy alternatives. I hope you enjoy it, and until next time, happy eating!